Should we put your shoes on?
Yeah.
Which ones? Your blue shoes?
What's
One shoe. Yeah, two shoes. Two blue shoes. Right. So do you want to go back outside and play with the squirter? Do you like the squirter? The purple?
Purple.
What are you going to do with it? You going to water the plants or spray your sister? What do you think?
Car.
You're going to spray the car? What do you want to do?
Red car.
You want to spray the car?
Red car.
Your red car? You want to spray your red car?
Or
Who's that? Who's that? Who is this?
bear.
Hey, that's a bear. Yeah. He's a nice bear. You gonna say hi?
Papa.
Now what do you want to tell yourself?
Car.
Cars? What about the cars?
Laura. Yellow.
Oh, you want to water with the yellow hose?
Green.
The green?
Laura.
The green watering can? What are you going to do?
That.
Yeah, there's a bug on my arm.
Fly.
Yeah, can you get it? Get it.
Okay.
What'd you find?
Box.
A box? What was in that box? Another box. Mm-hmm. It is made out of paper. Thank you. What are you going to do? You going to open it? Yeah. What are you going to do with your purple ball?
Pink ball. Pink ball.
A pink ball? Where's your pink ball?
The pink ball.
Where is it? That's your purple drink.
Purple.
Mm-hmm. Do you love the color purple? Do you think your pink ball might be upstairs? What's it doing? What's that ball doing? What are you going to do with all those shoes? That's a lot of shoes. Are those your shoes? Peter's shoes? Do you have a lot of shoes? Where are you going? The fan?
What?
Yeah?
What? Bear?
Mm-hmm. You like the fan?
What bear?
Mm-hmm.
What bear?
Look at that fan. The black fan?
Oh!
It's off right now.
Bear. Dog.
What?
The dog.
The dogs? Did the dogs run up the stairs with us? Look at all those matches that Sam and Sydney made. Mm-hmm. Tick-tock, tick-tock goes the clock. What else do you see? A gray fan? What else do you see on the table? You like the clock. You got a clock and a sock. You got the clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. That's what those clocks do. The clock and the sock go together. What else is on the table? Do you see a bee? The bee in the tree. Yeah. There's the bee. What else do you see? Where's the fan? Where's the fan picture? Did we take it downstairs? I think we took it downstairs last night. Shall we go look? Yeah, the fan. That's our black fan. But you took the gray fan picture. Do you want to go look for the picture? Should we go look? Should we go downstairs to look for the picture? Where is the fan? Where is that picture? Where's the fan? That's our black fan. Should we go find the gray fan? Should we go downstairs? Look, there's the fan. You say, wake up. Is that what happens when the alarm clock rings? We have to wake up? Wake up. Wake up. I say, wake up, Samantha. Wake up, Samantha. Yeah. Yeah, Samantha likes to sleep. We have to tell her to wake up, Samantha. Wake up. Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. The alarm's going off. Ding, 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 ding. Time to wake up.
1, 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
3,
2. Yeah. The brown clock is in the closet? Yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh, yes, Samantha left the closet door open. Oh. You okay?